Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the best cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaners of 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've carefully selected the top 5 cordless robotic pool cleaners that deliver powerful cleaning performance, smart navigation, long battery life, and hassle-free maintenance to keep your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, there's a perfect option here for you. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button to stay updated with our latest honest reviews and top product recommendations. And if you'd like to learn more or check the latest prices, you'll find links to all the products in the description box below. Now, let's dive into the countdown. Number 5. WYBOT S2 Solar-powered automatic robotic pool cleaner. Taking the 5th spot is the WYBOT S2, an innovative robotic pool cleaner that combines smart AI technology with eco-friendly solar charging. It offers 3 flexible charging modes, including solar power, DC fast charging, and solar pre-charging, while automatically returning to its docking station whenever the battery gets low. Its AI vision system intelligently maps the pool to deliver up to 20 times more efficient floor cleaning. And with 7 app-controlled cleaning modes, you can schedule automatic cleanings throughout the week. The advanced 3D adsorption system and dual-layer filtration easily capture everything from large leaves to fine dust, leaving your pool crystal clear with minimal effort. Number 4. AIPER Experts Duo. Coming in at number 4 is the AIPER Experts Duo, a unique 2-robot system that cleans both the pool surface and underwater areas at the same time. The Scuba V3 handles the floor, walls, and waterline using AI-powered navigation, while the EcoSurfer S2 continuously skims the water surface using solar energy. Together, they provide up to 7 days of hands-free cleaning with intelligent scheduling and clean up to 10 times faster than traditional systems. With advanced dual filtration, smart parking, app control, and effortless retrieval, this premium combo delivers complete top-to-bottom cleaning while maximizing energy efficiency. Number 3. Chasing L1 Ultra. At number 3, the Chasing L1 Ultra stands out with its professional-grade LiDAR navigation and smart mapping technology that creates precise cleaning paths for complete pool coverage. Equipped with powerful dual motors producing 504 liters per minute of suction, it easily removes leaves, sand, hair, and fine debris using 3 adjustable suction modes. The robot cleans floors, walls, and water lines while offering 4 cleaning modes and convenient weekly scheduling through the Chasing Go 3 app. Its large filter basket, IP68 waterproof construction, automatic docking, and tool-free maintenance make it an excellent choice for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Number 2. AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max. Earning the runner-up position is the AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max, an all-in-one cordless robotic cleaner designed to tackle every part of your pool, including the floor, walls, waterline, and even the water surface. Delivering an incredible 8,500 gallons per hour of suction power, it pairs intelligent pool mapping with adaptive navigation to ensure every inch is thoroughly cleaned. Its advanced dual-stage filtration captures everything from large debris to microscopic particles as small as 3 microns, keeping your water exceptionally clear. With a wireless charging dock, included storage caddy, smart surface parking, and completely cordless operation, it offers outstanding convenience for premium pool care. Number 1. Beatbot P300 Pro. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Beatbot P300 Pro, one of the most advanced cordless robotic pool cleaners available in 2026. As the world's first AI-powered 5-in-1 pool cleaning robot, it cleans the floor, walls, waterline, water surface, and even performs water clarification for the ultimate all-in-one maintenance solution. Its intelligent AI debris detection recognizes missed leaves and automatically adjusts its cleaning path for maximum efficiency. Features like remote surface navigation, one-tap docking, automatic water release, and effortless poolside retrieval make operation incredibly simple, while its automotive-grade UV-resistant construction ensures reliable, long-lasting performance season after season. If you're looking for the ultimate smart pool cleaning experience, the Beatbot P300 Pro is the clear winner.